Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. I'm happy to show off the Edifier NeoBuds Pro. I saw this at CES 2022, and as you can see on the box up here, it was shown at CES 2022. This also has LDAC high-res audio. I won these on Instagram, so I'm pretty happy to win them. They have Bluetooth technology. They last for 24 hours. Here are the earbuds. So you've seen the earpieces here that you can change from. A lot more options than what Apple gives you with their AirPods Pro. Kind of looks like a racing car with a light that breathes on the front. These have active noise canceling technology. They are antibacterial buds here. So that's the left one, here's the right one. And it's magnetic contact charging like that. When you close it up, you get the light. Sort of looks like a race car. Has a USB-C charging port on the back. It has ambient mode as well. Here's some more options and details about them. They have active noise canceling, and it's actually very good. I've been using them in noisy environments. They've been working quite well. It has 3 microphones per earbud. You can use them 5 hours with the earbuds, 15 hours with the case if you have the ANC turned on. You have 6 hours and 16 and 18 hours with the case if you have the ANC turned off. It has Knowles BA driver, so there's very good highs, actually a little bit clearer than some of the other earbuds I've been using, and that makes sense because they are LDAC high-res enabled. As you can see right there, LDAC, that's at Sony technology that they've licensed for high-res audio. And then also the box is actually pretty cool inside. If you've ever seen a sound studio, they have this on the walls, so they put that inside the box. I thought that was interesting. I really like the box and the way they presented this. You get a USB-C charging cable as well, and the travel case. And this is the Edifier NeoBuds Pro. I want to thank them for choosing me on the really cool giveaway. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.